Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 to make this 2 parts of a circle. I started thinking, because I know somebody's going to chime in, we're going to bring in some indexing lines and hit P. Indexing line, I'm just grabbing the rulers and hitting P. Then I'm going to draw any kind of circle, but I'm going to hold down the control button so it's equal. Then I'm going to hit P. Now, in the other video, I used indexing lines to delete, but why don't we just go right here and make this a 90-degree arc? Now we have one part of the circle. We're going to Control D and make a duplicate of it, but move the rotation. That's why I put in the indexing line. It doesn't look like it is, but it is. And rotate this 180 degrees. Grab both these, double click on your pen tool, go to 36 points, round caps, and there you have them. And they don't have to be black. They could be any color you want them to be. We can make them, I mean, they didn't have to be red, I meant. And you can always delete these or turn your indexing lines just off. Now, I stated in the other video that I knew that they were, or I had measured. How did I measure? Now this, we know it's equal. How did I know when I made the other one that they were equal? I'm gonna group these together, Control G. I'm gonna Control D and make a duplicate. I'm gonna turn the duplicate red. And then I'm gonna rotate the red ones 90 degrees. Now, you can't really tell it, but if we look at this on wireframe, go to View, which I very seldom ever do, you can see that the lines are not overlapping. They're perfectly straight lines. They're touching at the nodes. So that's how I did my measurement a while ago. But anyway, you've always got to turn the wireframe off and always run in Enhanced. That's how I would do it. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.